Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, I will teach you on how to write a simple calculator using the concept of abstraction in C++ programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching and supporting my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. By the way guys, I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. So we have here sharp include IOStream. I declare an abstract class for calculator operations. So we have two parameters A and B which has a data type of double calculate. And then we wrote here concrete subclass for each operation, addition. It will return the sum of the two values, subtraction class, and then multiplication and division. So there are four basic mathematical operations in mathematics: addition, subtraction, and multiplication and division. Int main, it is the starting point of every C++ program. I declare two variables, namely num1 and num2, and then operation. The title simple calculator using abstraction in C++ give two numbers that will be stored in our variable num1 and num2. After that, we will ask the user to enter operation, whether the use of the symbol plus, minus, multiplied, and divide. And then using if switch statement plus, it will call the function addition or the class, no? That uses the operation of abstraction, addition, minus for subtraction, multiplication, and division. But if the user choose out of the four does not belong in the group, it will return error, invalid operation. And then we have here the result, calculate, end of program. Thank you for using this program. Which informs the user, return 0, return to our operating system, and then we close, no? Our main function. As I said earlier, I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. Let us click the play button. So simple calculator using abstraction in C++ give two numbers. Let's see, we have here 4 and 5. And then the operation that we want to perform is multiplication, asterisk, press the enter key. So we have the result of 20 and a program. Thank you for using this program. Another example, let's say we have 100 and then 2, enter, slash for division. When we press the enter key, the result is 50 and a program. Thank you for using this program. Okay guys, so this is the end of my tutorial video, simple calculator using abstraction in C++ programming language. As I said earlier, I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. Thank you so much for supporting by watching and sharing, no, my videos. See you in the next video tutorial guys. Don't forget to subscribe. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.